So this is a story of how I crashed my drone. Now here I am, a novice, green, and brand new drone pilot. This is probably flight number 4. And I saw a video the night before about how to do cool and interesting drone footage instead of just having the regular fly through and all of that. So what I tried to do here is fly my drone through that fence over there. Sounds reasonable enough, but the attempts didn't go as well. As you could see, I'm having a lot of trouble trying to fly with a bit of an angle to stay on the path, not to hit the trees, and to fly through the gate without any success. And here we go. Was that cool? I don't think so. It should have been a lot faster, a lot straighter. But hey, it's my 4th time, and it's my first time trying to do precision flying. That's me checking out the gimbal for the first time. Now I'm going to try to turn the drone around and fly it back to me, and then, I don't know, continue flying it. And as you can see, I'm having issues flying it straight, turning it around. So here we go. Now that one was not too bad, except for the part that I almost hit the tree on the left. And off we go. Yeah, I'm not moving too fast. Trying to stay over the road. And also trying not to hit the electrical wires that are above the drone and on the side. And of course the trees. Now, by accident, mistook this path for the one I came from. For some reason in the camera it looked approximately the same. And then I realized I'm in the wrong place. I back up a bit and hit the tree. That is crash number 1. Now crash number 2 starts from here. And I'm actually trying to walk with the drone. So I'm not flying too fast, and I'm maybe 10 to 20 feet behind it. Trying to fly above the road. I'm not doing such a smooth job, but hey, at least I'm not hitting anything yet. Yeah, that's a tree branch that I almost hit, so it's good that I stopped. Now let's get back to the road. And now this house, I wanted to do a cool fly around thing, to go straight up to the house and then to take a photo, take a video of it while I'm flying around it. Sounds cool, sounds easy enough, but you have to have some skill with the drone to do these kind of things, and sadly I have 0. I am as good with the drone as a newborn baby. and for some reason I just stopped concentrating on the tree on the left side. So here I have the house and the frame that I wanted. I'm starting to fly the drone around it and crash. And that's the story. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.